The discourse has moved from whether to use or not use AI. The consensus is that students need to learn AI to compete in the marketplace. The question then is how to enable students to use AI while improving their critical thinking, how to foster an AI-first mindset while ensuring academic integrity. Recent research from MIT and Stanford reveals that students who depend too much on AI tend to lose critical thinking skills and often perform worse than those who don't. To prepare AI-first graduates, institutions must integrate AI in every course, not fear it, while ensuring fairness, ethics, and trust. Apporto provides an end-to-end platform that unifies tutoring, integrity, exams, and grading, helping institutions embrace AI responsibly across every part of the learning journey. CoTutor empowers students to use AI as a learning partner, not a shortcut. Faculty can set guardrails that foster independence and deeper understanding, right from the tools the students use. TrustEd helps institutions uphold integrity while allowing students to engage with AI within clear, responsible boundaries. ExamSpace provides a controlled, browser-based testing environment that maintains fairness and focus wherever students take exams. Deliver consistent, rubric-aligned feedback in minutes, while maintaining full instructor control and voice. Together, CoTutor, TrustEd, ExamSpace, and PowerGrader enable institutions to responsibly integrate AI across the learning experience, empowering students, supporting faculty, and protecting institutional integrity. Apporto helps institutions lead with integrity, prepare AI-ready graduates, and meet the moment responsibly. Discover what you can run on Apporto. Learn more at apporto.com/AI.